Hi, for today's EdgeTek video, we'll be going over filter replacement and coil maintenance and cleaning for the MG1E manufactured housing furnace. Of course, before we do anything, we're going to make sure power is disconnected, but then we can go ahead and remove the door. And on the back side of the door, you'll find the filter. To remove the filter, you'll have to remove this wire guard, and then you can go ahead and remove your filter. After you get your new filter, just reinstall it in the reverse order. And then you can reinstall your wire guard. So now we're going to be doing coil maintenance and cleaning, but to get access to the coil, we have to remove these panels. Now that we have the evaporator coil out of the cavity, we can go ahead and show you what needs to be done as far as coil cleaning and maintenance. But before we get started, we'll go ahead and remove this tag here just for demonstration purposes. Now, of course, you want to clean the outside of dirt and debris, but there's also clean the inside of the coil. But before we do that, we have to remove this cover plate so that we don't damage the A2L sensor. After you get the screws out of the cover plate, good idea to go ahead and remove the screws from the sensor so that the cover plate comes out easily. Now that we have the cover plate removed, you can go ahead and make sure there's no dirt and debris inside the coil. And it's important to note that when you're cleaning the coil, just use warm water. Another important maintenance item to check is your drain pan. You're going to want to examine all the sides to the best of your ability. Make sure there's no cracks or debris that's down inside the drain pan that might cause clogging or restrictions. You'll also want to make sure that your drain fittings aren't leaking. For more EdgeTek tips, please visit edgetekhvac.com.